All right, so now that you have your branding set up, let's go over how to actually create your campaign. All right, now your campaign is going to be what you attach your brand to. It's also going to be what you attach all your individual sticky reviews to. And you're going to get from your campaign, you're going to get a little simple line of code that's going to get added to your website. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that. All right, so what you want to do is you want to create a new campaign. I'm going to create a new campaign here, and it's going to be called Funnel Hacking Live Promo. All right, so I've got this page right here. So I'm going to get this domain. I'm going to grab this domain because this is where this campaign is actually going to be installed right here. All right, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to put in this domain name here. Now I want you to keep in mind that you just need to put in the root domain here. You don't need to put in any pages or anything. You just need to put in the full root domain. And I also want you to note that this campaign will only work on this domain. It will not work on any other domains. It will only work on the domain that you provide us. All right, so you do need to make sure that you include the protocol, whether it's HTTP protocol or HTTPS protocol. Select the style. What style of sticky reviews do you want? Do you want this round style right here, or do you want this square style right here? And coming soon, we're going to have 3 different styles that you can pick from as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the rounded corner because I like that. Now you have a couple options here. All right. Do you want to loop your sticky reviews? What that means is, let's say you add 5 sticky reviews to this campaign. After those 5 sticky reviews display, do you want to start again from the beginning and show those 5 again, or are you just going to show those 5 and that's it? So I'm going to keep on looping because I like to loop through those sticky reviews. If you don't want to keep looping on, just turn it to a no. All right. Now you have a delay before start. All right. That delay before start basically says whenever somebody first comes to your page, how long do you want to wait before you show them the very first sticky review? Well, I'm just going to wait 5 seconds. So you're just going to put 5 in there for 5 seconds. All right. The next thing you have is an interval between reviews. All right. What that is the amount of time that you want a blank, a nothing. Okay. By the time Rachel goes away, so she's going to go away here. And how long before this next person, Kevin, shows up. All right. So the delay between each sticky review is what you're putting in here. And I'm just going to put in 2 seconds. I want 2 seconds. All right. Now remember that brand that we added in the last video? Here's where you can add that brand. So I'm going to turn on branding, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to add the tier 5 brand for this particular campaign. All right. If you want to exit pop-up, if you want to add an exit pop-up, I know we haven't covered exit pop-ups yet, other than what they are and how they work and how they help. If you want to add an exit pop-up to this campaign, you'll just turn on exit pop-ups. We'll do that later. We'll come back after we add an exit pop-up. We'll come back and we'll edit this campaign and add our exit pop-up. So for now, we're all done. So we're just going to save this campaign. All right. Now you can see this campaign's actually been created right here. And if you want to add this to your website, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to click this little code button right here. You're going to get this little piece of code and you're going to install it in whatever website that you want. So I'm going to move over here to ClickFunnels. All right. And I'm going to come over here. Don't mind all the money in my ClickFunnels account. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add this to my page. All right. I'm particularly going to add it to my sales page here. All right. So if you want the sticky reviews to show up on every single page, you need to add it to your header globally. If you want it to show up on just one specific page like me, you just need to add that to that one specific page. So I want this just to show up on one specific page. So I'm using ClickFunnels here for this demo. I'm going to go to my tracking code, and right inside here, you can put this in your header or your footer. I recommend putting it in your footer. So we're going to drop it right inside our footer here. All right, just like that. So we're just going to drop that code and we're just going to save that page. All right. So remember, all we did was go to our actual sticky review, the campaign that we actually created, and we went over here to this little code button right here, and we just clicked that, and then we clicked copy that code. We copied that code, and then we just went to our funnel, and we found our tracking code where we can put it, and we just pasted that in our footer. All right. Now, you could be using a different landing page builder, regardless of what landing page builder that you're using, whether you're using Kartra, Builderall, ClickFunnels, Instapages, Lead Pages, WordPress, your own custom built website. Regardless of how you're building your website or your sales funnel, you're going to put this code in the footer of the pages that you want the sticky reviews to show up on. All right, so we've done that. Now everything's all good. All right, so we're just gonna save that. Now that's all saved. Great. All right, so now we have our campaign set up. So the next thing that we're gonna wanna do is to create some sticky reviews and then add them to a campaign. So we'll do that in the next video.